Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve another questions which is under through exercise 3.4 question number 2 sub question number 1. So under this we have a condition solve. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fractions reduced to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So what is a fraction? So as we all know what is a fractions, let's take an assumption. Let's assume the fraction as x and y. So now here x is the numerator and then y is the denominator. So after taking the assumptions, let's look at the first conditions. So according to the first information or first case, if we add 1 to the numerator, so if we add 1 to the numerator, this is how it has been formed, and subtract 1 from the denominator. Y is the denominator, so we have to subtract 1, and then a fraction reduced to 1, which means a fraction is equal to 1. That is how we have obtained out here. So after here, what we have to do? We have to do cross multiplication. So now if we do the cross multiplication, x plus 1, if we take here, take an assumption, here it is 1, so it will be x plus 1. Here also y minus 1 to 1 is 1. As we all know, whatever numbers multiply with 1, the results it is the same. So now after cross multiplication we have got in this manner. So here 1 y, when we transfer into the other side, it will become the minus. So now here also 1, if we transfer into the other side, it becomes minus 1. So now here x minus 1 equal to minus 2. Minus both are minus numbers, so we just have to add up. Okay, so that is how we have obtained our first equation. Let's come to our second case. Second case, it has said that it becomes 1 by 2 if we add only 1 to the denominator. So here is the case. Second case, this is the numerator. We don't have to do anything on numerator. What we have to do is on denominator. So now here if we add 1 into the denominator, our fractions will turn into 1 by 2. So here also we have to do the cross multiplication. So 2 into x is 2x, and then here the whole of 1 y plus 1, if we multiply with 1, the same answer we will get, and that is how we have got 2x minus y equal to 1. So that comes to our second equation. Now under this, when we look at the variable y, here also in our second equation we have got minus y, here also minus y, so we don't need to make any further calculations, so we can directly subtract the equation from it. Now subtract the equation 1 from equation 2. Now this is our second equation and this is our first equation. So now when we are about to subtract, we have to change the sign. Here it is plus, so we have to turn it into minus. Here it is minus, it will turn into plus. Here minus, it will turn into plus. So with this minus y and plus y, we can eliminate or cancel the y variables out there. So now remaining is 2 minus 1 is 1. So x will come along and then equal to, here 2 has already turned into a plus number, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So here that is how we have got x equal to 3. After that, we just have to substitute the value of x in any of the equation. So now substitute the x value in equation 1. We have x minus y equal to minus 2. That is our first equation. So we brought down. Now we are going to substitute the value of x. X value is 3 as we have obtained from here. So minus y equal to minus 2. So now here minus y becomes the same. 3 transferring to the other side, minus 2 minus 3. So when we add up, it will turn into minus 5. And then here minus y and minus 5. So minus we are similar, so we can cancel out from there, and then that is how we have obtained the value of y equal to 5. So with that we can come to the conclusion that therefore the fraction is 3 by 5. That's it.